In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix desktop icons rearrange and move after reboot in Windows 11. So let's get started. So press Windows key and R button together to open the Run window, or you can directly make a right click and then select Run. Now type in here data, up data and click on OK. Now you'll find local folder, local low and roaming. In case you cannot find this, click on view, click on show, and then make sure to check the option for hidden items. And then double click on the local folder, scroll down, and then you'll find this icon cache. What you can do is you need to make a right click and then select delete. Okay? Then right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. For the next method, after reboot, right-click at the start button and then you have to select View. Make sure that Auto Arrange Icons and then Align Icons, like Auto Arrange Icons, make sure this is not selected, okay? Make sure Auto Arrange Icons is not selected. Then for the next methods is you have to click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. Now here you have to simply click on this option, System, click on Display. Make sure that the scale and display resolution you have chosen as to what is recommended, okay? Make sure this is what is recommended. Then again, next method, right-click at the Start button, select Settings. Now here we have to click on Personalization, click on Themes, and you'll find desktop icon settings. Make sure to uncheck this option, allow themes to change desktop icons. So we are going to disable that. Disable themes to change desktop icons, apply, and then OK. And that's it. That will fix the issue for you. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.